Today I am with Professor Denilo. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Professor Denilo is from Philippines, now working in Bangladesh as a professor of computer science engineering in American International University, Bangladesh.
Yes.
Sir, how are you today?
Oh, I'm just feeling fine, feeling normal, and feeling better.
Can you share me about your previous history?
Previously I had some back pain, and it's actually creating migraine, creating some pain on my head, creating some headache, and also I have some lower back pain, which is actually causing me difficulties in bending, and some muscle sore, some cramps in my body. That is what actually I'm having before.
Okay. After doing chiropractic adjustment, how you are feeling now?
It's fully improved. The head is so easy now to move, and I don't have pain whenever I sleep. And when I woke up, I don't have the headache, and my back pain is actually not anymore there. It's already gone.
Okay, today is your final session day. Okay, hopefully I hope to my God that you will recover from today.
Thank you, I hope.
আমরা একটু আগে প্রফেসর ডেনিলোর সাথে কথা বলেছি। আপনারা জেনে প্রফেসর ডেনিলো আমার কাছে 5টার মতো সেশন নিয়েছেন। তার পূর্বে তার হিস্ট্রিটা যেটা ছিল, এটা তার এক্সট্রা রিপোর্ট ছিল, এক্সট্রা ফিল্ম ছিল। এটা এক্সট্রা ফিল্মে আমরা যদি খেয়াল করি, এই এরিয়াটাতে ফোকাস করি, এই এরিয়াতে ফোকাস করলে আমরা দেখা যাবে যে তার স্যাক্রামটা একটু টিল্টেড ছিল। দেখো, মাইল্ড লেভেলে টিল্টেড ছিল, এবং আমাদের স্পাইনটা যে ছিল, স্পাইনটা একটা ফুল অ্যালাইন ছিল না, এখানে একটা হালকা একটু বাঁকা ছিল এই এরিয়াটা। আর সার্ভাইকেল আমাদের বক্সিংটা হেড যদি দেখি, কিন্তু এখানে টিল্টেড ছিল একটা। ওকে, সেকেন্ডলি আমরা এইগুলো নিয়ে পরে কথা বলছি। তার আগে আমরা অন্য একটা ফিল্ম দেখেছি। আমরা যদি মার্ক করি, দেখা যাবে যে প্রফেসর ডেনিলো এই কার্ভেচার, যে লাম্বার কার্ভেচার, থোরাসিক কার্ভেচার এবং সার্ভাইকাল যে কার্ভেচার আছে, প্রত্যেকটা কার্ভেচার 60 ডিগ্রি করে থাকে, মোটে 180 ডিগ্রি থাকার কথা। বাট এখানে আমরা মার্কিং করেছি আগে, এখনো যদি আমরা এখনো দেখতে পারবো যে এই কার্ভেচার গুলো তার ঠিক নেই, অ্যালাইনটা ঠিক নেই, কার্ভেচার অ্যালাইন। ওকে, এছাড়া তার একটু পোস্টেরিয়র টিল্টিং ছিল পেলভিক্সে। এমআরআই করেছিলাম, এমআরআই শো করছে এখানে তার ডিস্ক প্রলাপস ছিল, সার্ভাইকাল স্পাইনে কয়েকটি ডিস্ক প্রলাপস আছে যেগুলো নার্ভকে ব্লক করছে। আমাদের স্পাইনাল যে ক্যানালটা আছে এটাকে ন্যারো করেছে, ফোরামিনাল ন্যারোইং করছে। এখানে আমরা নিচের পার্টে যদি চলে আসি, এখানেও দেখা যাবে যে তার লাম্বার স্পাইনে হলো ডেসিপেশন, মানে জেলিগুলো বের হয়ে গেছে, প্লাস তার হলো যে ডিস্ক প্রলাপস হয়েছে।
Yeah.
Very nice.
I think I need some.
Deep breath in, out.
Because I just.
Listen. Relax more. More relax. More relax. Deep breath in, out. Deep breath in, out. Turn in, please. Deep breath in, out. Is it good? You are feeling excellent.
Yeah, I'm feeling excellent this time. Every time I come, I'm feeling excellent. But you know, when I started working,
Yeah.
then I work for at least 12 to 15 hours a day. So that's why I do some few stretching.
So you have to come few months later again for your general chiropractic adjustment, like 2 to 3 months interval. Just come
Sure.
for one session.
Sure.
It will be fine.
Fruitful is good for my yeah.
Your spinal alignment,
Yeah.
bone alignment.
Yeah. Yes, Doctor, I will, because I follow all your orders. I'm drinking the medicine. That medicine helps me a lot also for the
supplements.
The supplements help me for my what do you call this one? For my energy and everything.
Energy, not only energy, it helps you to recover the discs. You know, you have these prolapse in your lumbar and cervical spine.
Yes.
The term of your disease is called cervical spondylitis or disc prolapse.
Okay, doctor. Definitely I will. Because I want to continuously fix my, what do you call this one, my head, because this is causing me some headache, you know. Whenever I start paining, it really creates headache over here in this area, and goes over here in this area. But now as I mentioned, it's a huge improvement. I don't feel those pain anymore. Sometimes a bit small, but it's nothing. It's not like before when I started doing it, then it pains already over here. Then it makes me what do you call this, uneasy. It's very annoying sometimes. So I was wondering, I went to physiotherapy, but physiotherapy is just putting me hot water, hot pack, and those kind of stuff. But I said there might be some issue regarding my spine, and that's why I actually checked you, doctor. And I don't know if some of my friends already called you. I recommended some of them.
Yeah.
They're also my colleagues in AIUB, so I told them.
Oh, she's from Philippines also.
Yeah, she's from Philippines, but there are other friends of mine who's also maybe going to call you.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Mr. Denilo Morgia. I'm actually working in American International University as a professor and director of the entire IT operation of the university. For the past few months, actually not months, for the past few years, I'm having problem with my back pain, especially the neck one and also my lower back pain. So luckily I managed to, what do you call this one, a colleague of mine has requested me to visit Dr. Habibur, which I learned that he was the only chiropractor in Bangladesh currently right now. So I was so happy because I was looking for a chiropractor, because I've been into so many physiotherapy, but it doesn't give me any good results. So right now, when I visited doctor, I told him about my pain. He gave me an MRI, and he also asked me to do the CT scan. After that, finding out all the problem, then he gave me a corrective adjustment for the past few weeks. Then after the past few weeks, every time I visit, I feel very good. Then right now, my back pain is okay, excellent, and my neck pain is 100%. I don't feel any more pain before. I was actually thinking that I'm having a high pressure. That is why I always ask myself, do I have a blood pressure? But actually, hopefully, it was only a back pain. So right now, 100% I can say my body is normal, not like before. And I thank Dr. Habibur for his excellent, what do you call this, maneuvering in my back, maneuvering on my bone structure. And the office is actually, the clinic is very nice. It's well groomed, and also the staff and the members are very friendly. And I can say they handle my issue professionally. So I can say this is one of the best chiropractor, which is actually the only chiropractor in Bangladesh. So thank you very much.